Hi, hello, welcome to Maths Medium. Today I came with another problem from exercise 2.3, question number 6 from the topic linear equations in one variable. Let's move into the question. The question was 8x plus 4 equal to 3 into x minus 1 plus 7. Here we have to check the what we got the answer with the x value. We have to check both LHS and RHS are must be equal. We have to do that. Now coming to the answer, I am writing question again here. 8x plus 4 equal to 3 into x minus 1 plus 7. So we are getting it is in simpler way, but it has to multiply here. So 8x plus 4 equal to 3x minus 3 into 1 3 plus 7. Now 8x plus 4 equal to 3x, here plus 7 and minus 3, so we get plus 4 because of here 7 is the bigger with the positive sign. So here by keeping the variables at one side, by keeping the another denominators at one side, so we get another values at there. So here by keeping variables at one side, by keeping constants at another side, so I am writing in LHS it is 8x minus 3 equal to 4, here plus e value it gets negative, so 4 cancel. Here 8x minus 3 is 5x equal to 0. Here x equal to 0 because of it is multiplying here, it is gets here divided, then any value is multiplied and division by any number, it must be a 0. This is the x equal to 0. Now we have to check the LHS with the RHS with the value of x equal to 0. So we have to substitute it. Value is substituting it in LHS and RHS, we get the answer. LHS and equal to the RHS is the, we have to check the procedure. So checking procedure, here 8 into x equal to 0 plus 4 equal to 3, 0 minus 1 plus 7. So here 4 we get answer because of 8 into 0 0 plus 4, 3 into 0 0, 3 into minus 1 minus 3 plus 7. Here is the 4 answer. 7 minus 3, again we get 4. Both LHS and RHS is equal. So the given answer for the question is correct answer for the satisfaction of LHS equal to RHS. Thank you. If you like the video, share the video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.